Texas was front and center in D.C. today as the Supreme Court looked at congressional maps that run right through Austin.
GOP lawmakers can draw lines to favor Republicans, but if they do that to favor white people, they violate the Federal Voting Rights Act. KXAN's political reporter Phil Prazen reports one of the areas the justice will focus on is in South Austin, right around St. Edward's University.
Woodward Street is the dividing line between Republican Lamar Smith's district and Democrat Lloyd Doggett's district. Critics will say the only thing that separates one side of the street from the other is race.
Historically, this side is Latino more often, and that side is going to be a whiter kind of Austin.
Nicholas Solorzano says GOP lawmakers divided his precinct from St. Edward's University on purpose. He says both sides of the street are in the same neighborhood and are in the same district for every other level of government. But for Congress, he says it's part of a scheme to pack minorities in one district in order to break up their voting strength in the other 4 Republican districts in Travis County.
For some reason, this one precinct, my precinct, you jut up, grab a lot of what used to be middle-class Mexicano houses, and then go all the way to San Antonio. You'd be really hard-pressed to find another reason it's drawn up like that.
Law requires some districts, including Doggett's, to be majority-minority. Chair of the Travis County GOP, Matt Makoviak, says the racism critique is simply not true.
That Hispanics are very much aligned with Republicans on values, and if they're not current Republicans, they're future Republicans.
He says the way to decide the maps are with elections and not in the courts.
But ultimately, I think it's a bit unreasonable to ask the court to become an expert on Travis County or Corpus Christi or West Texas. That's why the legislature's there.
And the Supreme Court will agree or disagree in the coming months. Phil Prazen, KXAN News.
In Washington today, Attorney General Ken Paxton spoke to the news media afterward, calling the critics' arguments unfounded, in part because the federal courts drew the current boundaries. He says the double standard is painfully obvious. When the court draws the maps, they are lawful, and when the Texas legislature adopts the very same maps, somehow they are not.
Here's a look at another district in this case. This is how District 27 changed after the 2010 election, after Republican Blake Farenthold bested the Democrat who held the seat for more than 20 years. It was completely redrawn from Nueces County South to Nueces County North and into Central Texas. And the Hispanic voting age population in the district dropped significantly from 69% to just 45%.